Hello everybody, welcome to week 3 here. So I got my video in the other course, so you just do your reply. Oops, get out of there. Alright, so do your reply, from that video and, copy paste it or however you want to do it. Uh, so anyway, into this week here, you got quite a few chapters. Uh, Chapter 10 is about analysis of financial statements. And if there's nothing else you remember in a course like this, one of the most important things I just noticed from my own experience when I was working with, Domino's Corporation, uh, is financial statements. Knowing how to read them, the P&Ls, understanding that so you know how your part of the business is doing, whether regardless of where you're at. When I was at Domino's, I was running corporate stores like in Seattle, so that was my piece of the pie, and so I had to, things will jump out at you on P&Ls and financial statements if there's something wrong. So, so that's what that is about. Security valuation. Uh, Analysis of the stock markets, uh, industries, comparing industries, um, analysis, doing the, analyzing. If you're doing your other, in the other course, the research, sometimes it ain't just marketing research, it might be industry research that you have to work on. So it just depends, doing the technical analysis and just portfolio management. So these are all things you have to be aware of. And let's get into week 3 here. So same thing. You got the discussion again, by Wednesday, so people can reply and also do reply to the instructor video. The assignment. All right. So admittedly, I'm sure all of you will agree that the homework assignments so far are pretty difficult. And we had a meeting last week about it. And I brought it up because, the text, sometimes courses are designed by, like in our case here, so these financial gurus, like finance accounting type people. MBA program uh, is not supposed to make you an accountant or a financial analyst. It's supposed to make you, more or less of a manager of a business with enough knowledge to understand and recognize what's going on. So from this week forward, we've changed the homework assignment to where you don't have to do these, Excel sheets and come up with all these equations and stuff. So what we got here is just basically combining the game, the market game, uh, and then a couple of things out, a couple of chapters. So and do a 2-3 page paper. Just remember it's APA format, 12. It's also double spaced. So in reality, it's only a 1.5 page paper. But when you double space it, it's 2. So you got that. And on the game, so I see everybody's in there. So you just look at, you check out your own portfolio. Uh, and then just back on the on this assignment here. So you're gonna write about what you've done, why you've done it, where you are right now, and then you're gonna also include answering these 2 questions, which kind of relate or should relate to what you've been doing in your game. So, all right, so that should do that. Otherwise, I'll let you go. Uh, and just get, if you need anything, get in touch. All of you, most of you have been in touch with me. So no problems there, 7 days a week. With that, I will let you go. Have a great week, and get in touch if you need anything. And that should do it. All right, take care and have a great week. Take care.